Taking our seat, our strong and stable seat, just allow yourself to feel your body. And really allow yourself to notice the sensations in your lower body, in your legs, in your hips, in your feet. Your back, your chest, your arms, your head. And as we have that stability, that earth quality of our physical body, slowly turning our mind towards the object of our meditation, our breathing. And also with our body, noticing the breath as it enters the body. Notice how it feels to breathe in deeply. How it feels to exhale. And allowing your breath to really take up the whole of your mind. Following the breath at each step. Noticing the beginning of the breathing, the middle, the top of your inhale, and the same process as you exhale. When thoughts come up, we can allow them to arise momentarily. And once we notice we're distracted from our breath, just gently bringing our focus back to the rhythm. The in and the out of our breathing. And we'll practice this just in silence. Just about 1 more minute. Hey guys, how's it going? Thanks for keeping up with the Just Meditate series. I hope it's going well for you. Let me know in the comments if you're having any particular problems or if you have any questions that I maybe haven't addressed or that you're just finding along your way of meditation. If you could give any of the videos a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And if you would consider subscribing or sharing with friends, that would also be a really big help. And that's it. So have a great day and thanks so much.